PAX Gold is likely to fall 0.7% by April 22 per digital coin price estimates. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. At this hour, PAX Gold is down 0.3% over the last 24 hours and holding near $4,767.30. Let's examine the analysts' market views. Digital coin price suggests the value could drop to $4,735.56 tomorrow, marking a decrease of 0.7%. Gulf Capital Collector sees potential for PAX Gold to rise to $4,776.77, an increase close to 0.2%. Coin price forecast highlights the possibility of testing $4,797, marking a gain near 0.6%. Another prediction from Traders Union puts the target for PAX Gold at $4,801.56. That's approximately 0.7% up. Finally, coin data flow suggests the price could rise to $4,941.69 by April 22, which is 3.7% above the current price. This is the most profitable forecast we analyzed. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decrease of 0.7% and a rise of 3.7%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out coin data flow will deliver the highest return with 3.7% increase in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $2 and $37 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, Gulf Capital Collector comes first with a 72% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. According to aggregated forecasts, PAX Gold might approach $4,810.52, gaining near 0.9%. Here's what the details look like. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 0.9%. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. On 1,000, this could line up with a possible $9 increase. And the odds of this consensus forecast playing out are close to 64.4%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. An upward push is signaled by digital coin price. Gulf Capital Collector expects PAX Gold to hold its ground. Likewise, coin price forecast describes the outlook as flat. Meanwhile, Traders Union suggests PAX Gold won't see major moves. An upward drive is anticipated by coin data flow. Analyst views combined indicate PAX Gold will trade in a narrow range over the next 3 days. From this overview, the majority stance signals PAX Gold could climb in the short term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. Ultimately, the market closed near $4,803.80. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. Traders Union produced the most correct forecast. Now comes the breakdown. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. Regarding ROI, several forecasts showed positive returns, and the best result hit 0.8%. Up next is the recap table. A quick look at how all forecasts performed. When checking results, 30 rates showed 0.6% ROI and $97.20 accuracy. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Now we'll see how PAX Gold stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. Bitcoin takes the first place with 1.6% and PAX Gold stays behind. This segment compares PAX Gold with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst performance data will soon be available on my website and Telegram. We've reached the end. If this saved you some research time, don't forget to leave a like. Stay well and see you tomorrow.